right, so I'm going to do some of these problems from lesson 11.2, and I'm going to try to make it so that it's going to be that. So in this lesson, we are writing explicit formulas for these arithmetic sequences. So remember, my arithmetic sequence explicit formulas are always a sub n is equal to the first term plus my common difference times n minus 1. So really, I just need to identify my first term and my common difference. So for this first one, my first term is 2. So it's going to be a sub n is equal to 2 plus my common difference, well, I'm going up by 9, so plus 9 times n minus 1. And then when I'm finding the indicated term, so I'm finding 30, that's when n is 30, so I'm going to plug in 30 for n. So a sub 30 is equal to 2 plus 9 times 30 minus 1. And then that is going to equal 2 plus 9 times 29. Well, 2 times 29 is 261, and 2 plus 261 is 263. So that is the answer to 22, both the explicit formula and the third term. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is 25, and it's the third term of an arithmetic sequence is -1, and the seventh term is -13. I'm going to change my pen color. So that means I know that when n or x is 3, y is -1. And then when x is 7, y is -13. And we found out that the slope and the common difference are the same thing. So I'm just going to find the common difference between these. So we go up, or actually we go down by 12. So it's going to be -12. And then we go up by 4. So it's going to be -12 over 4, or -3. So my common difference is -3. But then I need to find my first term. Since it's giving me the third term, I'm just going to work backwards. So the third term is -1. That means the fourth term would be -4. And since it's going down by 4 as we go further in the sequence, to go backwards, we're just going to add 3. So this would be, 3. So this would be 2, and this would be 5. So the first term is 5. So my arithmetic sequence would be a sub n is equal to 5 minus 3 times n, minus 1. So that would be that arithmetic sequence. And then the last one I'm going to do, and I'm trying to scroll and it's just drawing it off on the side. The last one I'm going to do is do this color. I'm going to do C. So with this one, I have 2 points. I have this point and this point. Well, the common difference is the slope between these 2 points. So I go down by 8. So down by 8, that means -8. Then I go over 2. It looks like I go over 4, but it's actually 2 because I go from 2 to 4. So it's -8 over 2. So my common difference is -4. But then I need to find my first term because I know my second term is 8. Well, working backwards, that means my first term was 12. So a sub 1 is equal to 12. So my explicit formula would be a sub n is equal to 12 minus 4 times n minus 1. And then again, for 25 and 26c, you're still going to need to find the indicated term by plugging that number in for n. Let me know if you have any questions.